Welcome to Mr. English Guide. If you're preparing for the IELTS test and struggling with listening, this video is for you. In this IELTS Listening Masterclass, we'll uncover how the test works, the exact skills you need, a step-by-step practice plan, and the top tips used by Band 8 and 9 students. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand what to do, you'll know how to train your ears and your mind for IELTS success. So grab your notebook, put on your headphones, and let's master the IELTS listening test together. The IELTS listening test is the same for both academic and general training. You'll hear 4 recordings and answer 40 questions in total. Each recording represents a real-life situation. Section 1, a conversation in a daily setting. Section 2, a short talk, like someone describing a service or facility. Section 3, a discussion among students. And Section 4, a lecture or academic talk. You'll have about 30 minutes to listen and 10 extra minutes to transfer your answers. The accents may include British, American, Australian, or New Zealand English. So your first task is to train your ear for different international accents. To succeed in IELTS listening, you must strengthen 4 essential skills. Number 1, active listening. Don't just hear. Understand the message and follow the speaker's idea. Number 2, predicting information. Before the audio starts, look at the questions and think. What kind of word fits? A number, a date, or a place? Number 3, recognizing paraphrases. IELTS never repeats words exactly. If the question says, "What is the cost?" the recording may say, "You'll need to pay £10. So, train your brain to catch meaning, not just words. Number 4, focus and concentration. Once the recording begins, it plays only once. So, build your focus stamina by practicing without pausing. Here's a 4-week plan to build your listening power step by step. Week 1, Foundation. Listen to short English clips daily, like BBC Learning English or TED Talks. Focus on understanding the main idea. Week 2, Start IELTS practice. Use Cambridge IELTS books. Listen to 1 section per day and review every mistake carefully. Week 3, Full test practice. Take 1 complete test each week. Use headphones, no pauses, just like the real exam. Week 4, review and fix weaknesses. Find which section you lose marks in and focus on that. For example, if you miss answers in Section 2, practice maps and directions. Time management can make or break your score. Before each section, use the 30 seconds to read the questions. Underline keywords and predict what information you'll hear. While listening, never stop writing. Even if you're unsure, note your best guess. You can adjust later. When you transfer answers, check spelling and grammar. Plurals, units, and small words like a or the can change meaning, so be careful. Let's talk about IELTS listening question types and how to handle them. Multiple choice. Eliminate wrong options as you listen. Form or table completion. Predict the kind of word needed. Map or diagram labeling. Listen for direction words like next to, on your right, or opposite. Sentence completion. Use grammar clues to decide what type of word fits. Matching questions. Listen for categories or relationships. Short answer. Focus on names, numbers, and facts. The key. Write exactly what you hear and never exceed the word limit. Time management can make or break your score. Before each section, use the 30 seconds to read the questions. Underline keywords and predict what information you'll hear. While listening, never stop writing. Even if you're unsure, note your best guess. You can adjust later. When you transfer answers, check spelling and grammar. Plurals, units, and small words like a or the can change meaning, so be careful. Let's fix the most common mistakes students make. Number 1, writing too many words. If the question says no more than 2 words and you write 3, it's wrong. Number 2, panicking after missing one answer. Keep going. The next question is waiting. Number 3, blank answers. Always guess. There's no penalty for being wrong. Number 4, poor spelling. Double check every name, number, and unit. Number 5, messy handwriting. Make sure the examiner can read your answers. To reach Band 8 or higher, listening must become part of your daily life. Watch English shows or news without subtitles. Listen to podcasts, lectures, or YouTube discussions in English. Practice shadowing. Repeat what the speaker says instantly. Do 20 minutes of focused listening daily. Consistency beats intensity. Your ears will gradually tune to English rhythm and tone. That's how top scorers train their minds. Congratulations, you've completed this IELTS Listening Masterclass. Now you understand the structure, the skills, the strategies, and the traps to avoid. Apply these techniques daily, and you'll soon notice your listening band score improving. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to Mr. English Guide, like, and share this video. And comment below, I'm ready for Band 8. Your IELTS journey begins with listening, and today you've taken a big step forward. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.